What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the new episode. This is John. Right now it's around 4:30, 5 a.m. and I'm currently headed from Pacific Palisades to the Hollywood Burbank Airport because I'm about to fly to Bend, Oregon. I've never been to Bend, Oregon, but I'm actually flying over there to attend my friend's wedding. And I hear that it's a beautiful town and it also has the last Blockbuster on Earth. So let's go ahead and enjoy ourselves a nice weekend trip. Our journey starts right here at the Hollywood Burbank Airport. As we board the plane, I'm feeling like the luckiest traveler on Earth. But hold on, it's about to get even better. I've got the entire row to myself on this flight. No one sitting next to me, folks. The flight was so smooth and the view from above was breathtaking. Time seems to fly by as we make our way to Bend, Oregon. And can you believe it? We'll be touching down in less than 2 hours. So if you're ready to embark on this adventure with me, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's make some incredible memories together. Now, without further ado, let's take off on this epic adventure to Bend, Oregon. Alright folks, we made it to the River House Hotel here, and I must say, it's beautiful. I'm on this bridge right now. Look at this gorgeous river, but I'm excited to explore a Bend and a little bit of the town, and then of course this beautiful nature today. So let's go ahead and explore more. I'll be sharing some b-roll with you on here too. I just need to take all of this in. All right, I'll catch you later. Alright folks, I just arrived at the downtown Bend area. I'm gonna take another walk around with these beautiful clouds and this wonderful cool weather. I'm gonna do another walk at the Drake Park, and then we're gonna make our way all the way down to Colorado Avenue because my Uber driver told me that there's a man-made surfing area right by the Colorado Avenue bridge. So we're gonna make our way down there to see if we can run into any surfers just enjoying that man-made beauty over there. But until then, let's take in some beautiful colors of fall and enjoy some beautiful sights around Bend, and then we're gonna hit up Blockbuster as well. Just look at this beautiful view. It speaks for itself. And to be honest, I've been longing for some foliage. I've been longing for some rich green around me since I started living in Los Angeles, because let's face it, palm trees don't go through foliage, so you don't really see changes of season year round. And then like always, I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up, went ahead on the channel, subscribed, maybe wrote a comment or two. That would mean a lot to me, as I would like to create more diverse types of content for you to find my place in YouTube and connect with the right audience. Alright, just finished my walk through the Drake Park. It's just gorgeous, simply gorgeous, from the homes to the beautiful colorful trees with foliage of course, and just the lake around it. Now I'm headed towards Miller's Landing Park, which is right before the surf area that I was told about by my Uber driver. So I'm just walking in between neighborhoods right now and still enjoying the beautiful fall weather here, because there's lots to look at, a lot of beautiful distractions here. I just can't simply get enough. I wanted to make a quick pit stop over here as I spotted yet another bridge in the alleyways of the homes here, and I think these are public bridges of course, so let's go ahead and take a look. But whenever I see a spot like this, I really want to check out to see what I might be potentially missing. And it looks like a super cute shorter form of the bridge that we crossed earlier in Drake Park, as you can see right here. Yeah, look at that. They have all their canoes. They have stairs coming down to the riverside. It's so pretty. And then look at all the foliage colors. This is gorgeous. It's always fun to appreciate little gems like this, you know, hidden in between neighborhoods and homes. If you can actually spot any in your walk, it's definitely worth a while to take a peek. All right, now we're at the Miller's Landing Park, and I can already spot the surfers over there up ahead. Right where the Colorado Avenue bridge is. So we're gonna go take a look at that real quick and maybe take some photos of them as well. But just exactly how my Uber driver described, right under the bridge there's a man-made area section where surfers could enjoy the waves that that area creates. And he was telling me that even in the middle of the night you see a surfer with a flashlight on his forehead, just going in there and enjoying the waves. I don't know about you, but that was quite fun. And I'm really glad that they're wearing helmets as well, because they're surrounded by rocks. But it was very, very entertaining to see them attempt and like fall and then get back straight up just to hit those waves again. And it seems like a continuous effort from the continuous waves coming in. Also, take a look at this little tunnel that I'm passing. I mean, this is amazing. This town is really filled with a lot of history, a lot of culture, and a lot of good art. Okay, it looks like we made it back to downtown. That was a really nice walk. Thank you so much for joining me on exploring downtown Bend together and also looking at different parts by the river. So once you watch this, definitely go ahead and check part 2 out, my visit to Blockbuster, the last Blockbuster on earth. And please subscribe, like, comment. Your support would mean the world to me so that I can keep creating diverse pieces of content to put together and share them with you on YouTube so that I can click with the right audience and kind of find my own pathway, you know? All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.